Hello, my dear friends. I'm Chef Sam, and today we've got a super important mission. I've invited my friends to a big fruit party, and I need your help. Let's make yummy things together, little chefs. For our main dish, we're making fruity skewers. And for that, we'll need some melon, pears, red apples, and of course, coconut. Our coconut is super heavy. Now it's time to cut up all the fruits. We have to be very careful with the knife. We place the sliced fruits on the skewers, and our delicious fruit skewer is ready. For the appetizer, we'll make a fruit salad. For the fruit salad, we need grapes and kiwi, pomegranate, plums, mango. For the salad, we'll also cut the fruits into pieces. The chopped fruits need to be mixed. And the fruit salad is ready. Only the dessert is left to make. And for dessert, we've got a fruity smoothie. We're going to use a juicy watermelon, peaches, oranges, pineapple, and bananas. Let's blend all the fruits. Ready! This is the most delicious celebration ever.
Sam, you are the best chef!
See you in the next episode. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's learn together.